Hello students, welcome to this module on refrigeration and air conditioning. In this session, we are going to know about servicing of filter and oil pump. Objectives. By the end of this exercise, you will be able to inspect the strainer, install a new strainer, maintain the oil filter cleanliness, clean and service the strainer, perform maintenance on the oil pump. Let us now take a look at the tools, equipments and consumables needed for servicing the filter and oil pump. Double end spanner set 12 mm to 17 mm. Ring spanner set 12 mm to 17 mm. Screwdriver 250 mm. Pipe wrench 300 mm. Nitrogen cylinder valve key. Wooden mallet. Dot punch 100 mm. Hammer. Ball pin 250 grams. Open type compressor with lubrication oil pump. Dry nitrogen cylinder with hose provided valve. Petrol 500 ml.
Bunion cloth
1 square meter. Lubrication oil 1000 ml. Oil can. Funnel. Goggles. Kerosene 500 ml.
Now let us see the preparations needed for servicing of filter and oil pump. Check and replace the oil strainer. Periodic check and service of oil filters. Pump down the system. Remove the crankcase cover. Remove the crankcase oil filter element. Rinse with petrol and clean. Flush with dry nitrogen. Check for foreign particles in the filters. Remove it without damaging filter element. Rinse it in lubrication oil and fit it. Care should be taken while flushing with nitrogen. Put the compressor in line. Check the lubrication oil pressure. Note and compare improvement of oil pressure after servicing the filter element. Servicing of oil pump. Remove the oil pump from the compressor body and place it on the workbench in a tray. Punch mark the matching parts of the body. Remove external main drive gear. Remove end cover bolts and open the end cover. Remove the dowel pins fixed in the body. Tilt the pump and remove the drive gears. Clean all the parts with kerosene. Check for scoring or burrs if any rectify. Check the drive and drive gears for wear and tear if any rectify. Check the bearings, clean, lubricate or replace with new one with the same specifications. Assemble oil pumps and check the clearance between gear face and end cover. Check the backlash between drive and driven gear. Connect the oil pump to the compressor body by matching the pump's drive gear to the crankshaft gear. Run the compressor and check the oil pressure.
In this topic, we came to know about how to inspect the strainer, install a new strainer, maintain the oil filter cleanliness, clean and service the strainer, perform maintenance on the oil pump. I hope you all understood the process of servicing filter and oil pump. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye.